Hey guys, what is up? Welcome or welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. You could have been anywhere but here with me, and I appreciate it. So for those of you who don't know, my name is Tanae Campbell. I make videos about health, fitness, mental illness, lifestyle. Today's video, I'm just gonna do a really quick video that I've never done before actually. In my last video, 2 months ago, I had some fresh braids, single braids. These are still the same braids. I'm just gonna be refreshing the braids because, you know, they look kind of crusty right now. So I'm just gonna take you all along with me, show you guys how I lasted 2 months already like this. So I showed you some pictures before, or I may insert them here. This is my hair currently after it's being washed. It's freshly washed. As you can see, there is a whole bunch of new growth. You guys are not gonna see me do the whole head on this channel. I'm just gonna do the front. This is where you could see. Okay, if you guys wanna know what I use to wash my hair, I tried it for the first time. doTERRA's shampoo and conditioner. It's amazing. I was so skeptical, wow. I was so skeptical about trying this because of my hair type. Let's just say that I wasn't sure if it was gonna agree with my hair type. I was terrified, but oh my gosh, I'm never using anything else again. First of all, this is the shampoo from doTERRA. You guys, I'll leave the link in my description box if you ever do decide that you want to get this, and if you even want to start an enrollment, if a membership, go ahead, click that link. It's the best thing you could ever do, especially if you're planning to launch your own business. The more you spend, you get back in rewards. So you can actually use those rewards to buy some of your products. Like what? Who does that? I'll wait. All right, so this is the shampoo. I like this. I really like it. First of all, it smells really good. It smells like you're at the spa. Like, it has that spa smell. It's really good. Also, it leaves your hair feeling really tingly, like your scalp. And at first I was freaked out. You get that, you know, that tingly feeling. You know, like, for example, I feel like I put Vicks on my head because me, I'm so extra and I put too much. So I had to wash it out really well. But yeah, it was really good. And then I used the conditioner. And then I'm now going to use, I have a leave-in conditioner. I didn't put it in yet, so my hair is just dry now. So I did this yesterday. This is exactly 2 months and a day after I did it. I put in my braids June 3rd. And today we are August 4th. So I'm just gonna spray some. Again, this is from doTERRA. I've never used this before. It feels good. It smells so good. So I'm just gonna oh, this feels really good. Y'all seriously need to get on this. I'm just gonna use some edge control actually. A little goes a long way. This is actually probably too much, but okay, so I'm gonna start from this one. This is the growth. This is what it looks like down, whatever. Y'all, it's been 2 months, okay? And for those of you saying it doesn't look that bad, it's because I have done this process several times. Not today, obviously, but like in the past, I've refreshed my braids a little bit. So you basically just take some braiding gel. Not braiding gel, sorry. Edge control. Don't worry about all the baby hairs yet. I'm gonna fix that up after. But yeah, literally you just apply the edge control roll and tuck it behind your ears for now. You just want it to be a little secure and tight. I'm gonna do this one. I can't wait to take out my braids and just redo it. Y'all guess what my next color is gonna be. Thank you, Kaden. Guess what my next color is gonna be? Leave it in the comment section down below if you think you know. I usually do all black, but I won't be doing that next time. already, this side versus this side. After I washed my hair felt so light. It still feels so light. Oh my god. Like, I didn't. Yeah, it was like weighed down dirt, I guess, man. You could roll it as many times as it will allow you to. Some people don't like to do it too tight. I do. But it's what your hair could take, what your hairline could take. I have very coarse hair, but it's very thick and strong. I wouldn't suggest you roll it too much if your hair is thin or thinner. But if your hair is coarse and thick, I'll show you what it looks like if you don't put the braiding gel. Because you guys are probably like, yo, why'd you just wash it? So this is what it looks like if you just, it's like crap. You actually need the braiding. I keep calling it braiding gel, the edge control is what I'm using. You need this to slick down all the straight hairs. Don't be cutting corners. Look at that nice glossy finish. I find sometimes it actually looks better when I refresh them than when I just do them. I don't know, it gives it a more kind of a natural but elegant look, in my opinion. Comment down below if you guys have ever refreshed your braids, or do you guys just redo them, or just redo the front, or just leave them. And if you guys do refresh them, do you guys use this technique or do you do something else? Like I said, I know there are many other techniques, however, time does not permit for those techniques for me at the moment.
If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah, come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that.
I'm starting to hurt, man. Okay guys, that's all I'm doing for today, or for now, whatever. But do you see the difference? I'll insert the before pictures again.
First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down.